Good morning, sir. I am Pranesh Salonke and my teammates have prepared a small presentation on our capstone project topic on preparation of concrete using gold mine waste. Contents of these presentations are introduction, scope of reference, study objectives, methodology, and correction of samples. Now, if we talk about introduction of the gold mine waste, is known as concrete is widely used material in the world. Based on the global usage, it is placed at second position after water. Fine aggregates are the essential components of concrete. The most commonly used fine aggregate is natural sand or pit sand. The global consumption of natural sand is very high due to extensive use of concrete. Gold ore tailing are one of the primary waste products of mining operation. They comprise of fine-grained particles of the parent rock from which the ore is extracted. The characteristics of tailing depends upon the composition of parent rocks. The disposal of this material is a major environmental problem for the mining industry. Tailing, when not utilized, it will cause harm. When tailing waste is in dry state, can fly everywhere as tailing grain is very fine. It can damage human health and disrupt agriculture. Gold ore tailing are discharged into the tailing pond after a chemical treatment is removed free cyanide and other heavy materials. When tailing disposal is in the form of mud into the reservoir, treatment costs are used. We have to build dam to accommodate the tailing slurry, environmental pollution due to seepage and dam maintenance after the ore is closed.
Good morning, sir. I am Ashish Ramchandra Dillod. Today I will explain scope of references. Mangala Pandey Aruna, Assistant Professor, Department of Mining Engineering, National Institute of Technology, Karnataka. Utilization of gold ore tailing in manufacturing of paving blocks for eco-friendly mining, March 23-24, 2012. Second, R. Govind Adhikari and N. Ramagupta. Use of gold mill tailings in making bricks in feasibility study, waste management. Research, October 2007, Vol 5, 475 to 482. Third, R. Santakumar, Concrete Technology, Oxford University Press, 2011. Fourth, Material of Construction, Kumbar Resources, Independent Competent Persons, Report on XRO Resources Tailing Management, 24 April 2014. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Charushila More. I would like to take this opportunity to talk to you about studies. In this study, concrete M20 grade was obtained and the mixture was modified by partially replacing river sand with gold ore tailing. The properties of concrete in the fresh and hardened state examined are workability and strength respectively. The workability of concrete mixtures was evaluated in terms of slump and compaction factor test. The strength of concrete was evaluated in terms of compressive, flexural, and splitting tensile strength. In the present study, the local coarse aggregate is fully replaced by gold mine waste. Coarse aggregate in preparation of concrete which were not influenced on the fresh and hardened state properties. Cost optimization by using gold mine water near the Hutti gold mine industry. Use of gold mine waste, fine aggregates are as replacement to natural sand. Use of gold mine tailing as a partially replacement of cement in mortar. Gold mine waste coarse aggregate can be used in a pavement construction.
Good morning, my name is Bhavesh. I am explaining today objects. First, the chemical analysis of a gold mine waste coarse aggregate. Second, to study the physical property of a gold mine waste as a coarse aggregate. Third, To study the fresh state properties of a concrete using gold mine waste as a coarse aggregate. Fourth, to study the strength property of a concrete using gold mine waste as a coarse aggregate. Fifth, to study the durability property of a concrete using gold mine waste as.
Hi sir, I am Vijay Mohan Gaikwad. I would like to explain the methodology. The experimental work is broadly classified into two stages, namely CO analysis. The main objective of the investigation is to partially replace natural sand with quarry dust and study the behavior of concrete in the fresh and hardened state. The material used for the investigation is first sieve and grading of aggregate is carried out. The zone value is obtained. Natural sand replaced with gold or tiling at the interval of 5% up to 25%. Evolving mix proportion. Water cement ratio is important factor in the process of mix proportioning. Primary requirement of good concrete is satisfactory compressive strength in the hardest state. Many of the desirable proportion like durability, impermeability and abrasion resistance is highly influenced by the strength of concrete. In this investigation, mixed proportion of M20 concrete were obtained as per the guideline given is IS 10262-2009. The proportion for concrete containing river sand, gold or tiling and their combination with water cement ratio of 0.5 is obtained as 1:1, 72:3, 190. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I am Pranesh Salunke. I will be talking about the collection of samples now. The gold ore tailings were collected from the dumps of Kolar Gold Ore, Karnataka, after moving the grass and other weeds from the top surface. Thank you.